This video is sponsored by Jada Dev, a store of high-quality scripts and maps. Store link in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, we are going to install a quest and mission creator script for our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into FiveM server. The link will be in the description below. The script will cost you around 90 euros. You just have to click over here and purchase the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, you will receive these two files. You have to install them into your FiveM resources. So I'll be installing them over here. Just like this. Now open the ML missions folder, go to shared, config, then config.lua. So this is the configuration of the script over here. This is the command to move the HUD and this is the command to open the mission creator. I'll be keeping them default for now. This is the configuration for theme. There are multiple theme options available over here. So I'll be keeping it default for now. This is the configuration for 11 Lab TTS. If you have the 11 Labs API key and want to use the voice from 11 Labs, then keep the TTS to true, otherwise you can change it to false. This is the configuration for skill system. If you have the ML skills script, then keep the skills to true, otherwise you can change it to false. There are much more configurations over here. You can configure them according to your preference, so I'll be keeping them default for now. Now go to server, then config_server.lua. Over here you have to provide your 11 Labs API key, so I'll be adding my API key over here. Just like this. If you want to integrate the script with the Discord webhook, then you have to provide the webhook URL over here. So I'll be keeping it default for now. Now before starting up the server, make sure to ensure the scripts in the server.cfg. For that, copy the name, go to server.cfg, then ensure them over here. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in the server now. Now to open the mission creator panel, we have to type /mission creator. So this is the mission creator panel over here. Now let's create our first NPC over here. For that, click on NPCs. After that, click on new NPC. Now here we need to give a unique ID for our NPC. So I'll be giving it a name of first NPC. And over here, I'll be keeping it on new NPC. And for the NPC title, I'll be changing it to Alexa. Over here, you can provide the URL for the NPC avatar. So I'll be providing a random image. Over here, you have to enable the voice interaction. Now here you have to type the main dialogue for the NPC. So I have written this dialogue which is over here. Now over here you have to provide two buttons which will show after NPC completes this dialogue. So here I am typing what's the mission and here I am typing not interested. And here you have to type the dialogue which will show after when you click on what's the mission. Now here you have to provide voice ID from 11 Labs. After that you have to select the model. So I'll be selecting this pet model. Now you have to select the position, click on set position. If you use your mouse scroll, you can change the angle. If you use right and left arrow, you can change the animation for the pet. After selecting everything, press E to confirm the changes. By clicking over here, you can add same pet in multiple locations. So I'll be keeping it default for now. And from this configuration, you can configure the custom appearance for the pet. By clicking over here, you can enable the blip. And from here, you can enable the 3D waypoint. So I'll be keeping them default for now. And from here, you can add missions. After selecting everything, click on save NPC. So our NPC has been saved now. Now let's interact the pet with our target eye. Then click on talk to a new NPC.
Hello Zexus, welcome. You have one mission.
Let's select what's the mission.
The mission is you have to create a video for MICIO's mission creator.
This is how the NPC talks. There are much more options over here. You can go through and explore them one by one. This is the mission creator over here. If you want to create a new mission, just click over here. You can create various type of missions like car heist, escorting a VIP, terrorist attack, zombie invasion, any kind of heist and robberies, gang wars, and much more type of missions which you can create through this mission creator. The steps to create missions are available in the documentation of the script. The link will be in the description below. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.